Dear students, welcome to my channel. This channel is only for you. Today I am going to discuss exercise 1.5 of chapter number systems. I have already discussed exercise 1.1, 1.2, 1.3 and 1.4 is some diagram. So you will try yourself. Exercise 1.5. Number 1. Classify as rational or irrational numbers. Rational numbers means which are in the form p by q, q is not equal to 0, or if the decimal expansion is repeating but non-terminating. If both these two conditions are satisfied, then the numbers are rational number. So this one 2 minus root 5. Root over is here irrational number. 3 plus 2 root over 23 minus root over 23. If you simplify this one, minus root over 23 plus root over 23 cancel. If you omit the bracket, this one cancel, you will get simply 3. This one rational. Next, this 2 root 7 by 7 root 7. If you cut root 7, you will get 2 by 7. This one rational number. In the form p by q, q is not equal to 0. Here, 1 by root over 2, root over 2, root over 3, root over 5, root over 7, all are irrational numbers. So this one irrational numbers. And pi is also irrational. You can write the notes. Number 2, simplify each of the following. You have to simplify this one. Just multiply 3 into 2, 6, 3 into root 2 plus 3 root 2. Root 3 into 2, 2 root 3. Root 3 into root 2, you can write root over 2 3s are 6, root over 6. Now here root 2 and here root 3. So you cannot add. So answer is this one. Next number 2. 3 plus root 3, 3 minus root 3 multiply. You got formula of a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. So we can just write this one. 3 square minus root 3 square. 3 square means 9. Root 3 square. Root 3 square means root 3 into root 3. That means root over 3 3s are 9. That means you can write simply 3. So remember this one. If root is given and power is 2, then root is cancelled. So you can write simply 3. So you can write 6. 9 minus 3, 6. Next, root 5 plus root 2 whole square. This one a plus b whole square formula. A square 2 into root 5 into root 2 twice ab plus b square. Root 5 square means root cancel, that means simply 5. 2 root 5 into root 2 multiply here. So root over 10. Root 2 square means simply 2. So 5 plus 2, 7. 2 root over 10. Next, root 5 minus root 2, root 5 plus root 2. Same as question number 2. A square root 5 square minus b square means here root 2 square. So root cancel. 5 minus 2 equal to 3. So you can write the notes. Number 5. 3 root 5 minus 4 root 3 whole square. This one a minus b whole square formula. 3 root 5 square minus 2 into 3 root 5 into 4 root 3 plus 4 root 3 whole square. 3 root 5 whole square. That means 3 square into root 5 square. 3 square means 9. This one multiply into root 5 square means 5. Minus 2 into 3, 6. 6 4s are 24. Root 5 into root 3, root over 15. Remember this one. Plus 4 square means 16 into root 3 square means 3. 9 5s are 45. 24 root 15. Keep remaining same. 16 3s are 48. Add these two. 3, 93. 5 plus 8, 33. 1 carry. 4 plus 4, 8, 1, 9. Minus 24 root over 50. Next, question number 6. Here, root 7 minus root 6, root 3 minus root 7. So, just you have to multiply this one. Root over 7 into root over 3 minus root over 7 into root over 7 minus 6 root over 3 minus plus 6 root over 7. Just multiply root over 21. So root 7 into root 7 means root 7 square. So you have to write that 7. 6 root 3 plus 6 root 7. So this is the answer. Next question number 7. 2 root 6, 2 plus root 6, 4 plus root 6. So you have to just multiply 2 into 4, 8, 2 into root 6 plus 2 root 6 plus root 6 into 4, 4 root 6. Root 6 into root 6 means simply 6. Root 6 is square, that means simply 6. 8 plus 6, 14. Here 4 root 6, here 2 root 6. That means you can write 6 root 6. How many root 6 here? 6. So 6 root 6. So you can write the notes. Number 3. Recall pi is defined as the ratio of the circumference, say C, of a circle to its diameter. That is pi equal to C by D. This seems to contradict the fact that pi is irrational. How will you resolve this contradiction? Question is given. So, say this one a circle and whole is called circumference, say C. And this part is simply D. This one diameter. So, if you divide circumference by D, you will get non-terminating, non-recurring numbers. You can try at your home. You can take various type of circles and then you can examine this one. So you can check. Here given is and mathematically written as pi equal to C by D. This seems to contradict the fact that pi is irrational. How will you resolve this contradiction? Answer is there is no contradiction. When we measure a length with a scale or any other device, we get only an approximate rational value. We will get only an approximate rational value. So we cannot realize that either C or D is irrational number. So you can do this at home practically. You can check this one. I think all of you understood my class. Next part I will give in the next class. If you understood my class, don't forget to like, comment and share to others. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next class. Thank you for watching.